Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the ZRQ store on Amazon. Comes in this pretty nice sized bag. It's pink and says hair on it. And this is what the hair looks like. So these are their 24-inch locks. And the color is 1B/30/27. So it's like, it goes from black to a darker brown to a lighter brown, almost blondish color. So that's pretty interesting. The hair has 21 locks in each pack, and it comes with 6 packs for a total of 126 locks. The hair also comes with a crochet hook and these small black rubber bands, and the hair is about $38. And I'm going to be crocheting the hair using the individual crochet method. So I've already braided my hair, and this is what it's looking like. And I have about 70 braids in my head. So I'm about halfway done my hair, and before I go into a little more detail about the hair and show you an example of how I did the crochet, I want to show you what the hair is looking like so far. So let's talk about these locks. So the locks are really easy to crochet this way, and they hide my braid pretty well, but they frizz up very easily. So like, I'll insert the crochet hook in the hair and it'll be like frizzy. And that could just be me, user error, or it could be that the hair is prone to frizzing. So if you're going to crochet your hair the way that I'm about to show you, just be mindful of that with this hair, that it may frizz up a little. But other than that, it's good, and it's black. My hair is black, and it hides my hair pretty well. So let me show you an example of how I've been crocheting the hair. So I take the braid I'm working on, which is this one, and the thinner the braid, the better for this method. These are already pre-looped, but some loops are a little harder to get open than others, like this one. This one was a little hard. So then I'll just put my finger through like that. I take the crochet hook, I grab the braid, I insert the crochet hook underneath the start of the braid. Then I latch the lock onto the crochet hook and I pull it through like that, just a little bit. I unhook the hook and then I open up the loop and I grab the lock and my braid and I pull them both through together like so. Now I'm just tightening the loop, so I'm pulling my braid in the lock at the same time just to tighten it. It's tightened and it's on there, which is good. Then I'm going to take my crochet hook. I'm going to start a couple inches down from the start of the lock. I'm going to put my crochet hook in the center of the lock and just work my way upwards, doing my best not to frizz it up. And again, just making my way through the center of that lock like so. Then I'm going to push the lock all the way through like that. Then I grab the braid and I hook it on towards the middle or end of the braid. And then I just pull it through like that. And then I push up and twist, push up and twist just so that it tightens around the braid like that. And you see, you can't see it in the braid right now. So I'm just going to do that again with this little piece of the braid that I have left. Hope you can see this well. And then attaching it and pulling through. And there we go, just making sure that all of my braid is in the lock, which it is. So I finally finished my hair and I have 2.5 packs of hair left, and I started my hair at about 6:30 p.m. and it's now about 10:30 p.m. but it didn't take me 4 hours. I took a little break and stuff, so I want to say it took me 3 to 3.5 hours at the most to crochet the hair. That doesn't include the time it took me to braid the hair though. And actually 3 to 3.5 hours is probably the quickest I've ever crocheted my hair. So anyway, I do like the style and the colors. I wasn't too sure it was gonna go together just because I thought it was a bit much, because it's going from black just to brown and then light brown, and it's not really like much of a transition. It's like black, brown, brown, dark, light brown. But it looks good. It blends. It goes together well when all is said and done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.